Hi, welcome back to the channel. Everybody, thanks for joining the channel again. I really appreciate you tuning in. And today, I'm out here by the pond and I want to talk about what I'm going to be doing today. So today, I've got about a 25-foot waterfall in the front, and I found out that over the years, it just seems like the rock's been missing, or it washes down to the bottom of the actual waterfall. And so today, I'm going to be putting in some little small river rocks, spreading them around a little bit, making them look really nice, and then I'll turn the waterfall on so you guys can check it out. And adding rock to your gardens is actually a great way to make your gardens look really beautiful. Okay, so even if you mix your rock in, maybe put them in your beds, like rock beds, maybe put in some nice irises, things like that. I like to use it around my pond because it makes the pond look pretty natural. And on my property, I've got this pond obviously, but I also have a waterfall that I incorporated, and I wanted to show it to you guys today and show you exactly what I'm doing. Okay, and so I don't just have the pond here, I also have a waterfall in the front, and I just really love water features. I think water is super relaxing. It makes me feel like I'm in a different place. So when you have a stressful job, or you've got something that you're stressed out about, it's kind of nice to relax, sit by the water and hear it, watch your fish, check your plants out, and all your flowers and stuff. This is a great way to relax. So let's get on it. Let's check out what we're going to be doing in the front. All right, guys. So I have this waterfall that I've been working on for a while, and you can see it kind of goes from the very top up there and kind of goes from down this way and winds. So I'll just take you over to the front here and show you exactly what I'm doing. So let's go here. All right, so now you can see a little better that the water winds down. Well, I might actually go back there. All right, so we're gonna go back here. So you can see now how the water kind of just starts from the top and goes all the way down. But you'll notice that I've got all this rock in here, which is good, but you can see how I have some empty spots right there. I've got an empty spot, and get up here on the waterfall a little more. I've got an empty spot, right here, and I have probably kind of walking up here. You can see I got some empty spots up in here, and so we need to clean all this out. And you'll see there's the start of the waterfall, and so we're going to be kind of getting this to where it goes all the way down the bottom right there, see? And so yeah, so that's what we're gonna do today. I've got a truck full of rock that I've got to actually spread around, and we'll see how it looks when we're all done. I'll put the water on and all that kind of good stuff. Well, I've been trying to figure out what all to plant in here. So I've got some bushes and stuff like that, and we like to plant these really pretty Gerber daisies right here. So these are really pretty. But I've got this, like, I don't know, it's this, I think it's this, it's some kind of a plumeria that, but it's a different kind though. I don't know if anybody out there knows what kind of plumeria this is, please comment below. I'd be curious to know what that is. It really hasn't really grown that much. It doesn't really lose its leaves that much either, like the normal plumerias do. The leaves stay pretty much all year round, where the plumeria that I have in the back, it pretty much loses its leaves all the time. So so if anybody knows what that is, just let me know. Yeah, let's see, we got some really pretty Gerber daisies right here coming up, and we just really like those. They come up every single year. They kind of die out and they come back. So all right, so if anybody knows what that is, let me know. All right, guys, so as you can see, I spread the rock around, And we're just kind of doing a refresher. You know, I did this many years ago. I had all this rock and stuff like that, but over the years, you know, it just kind of washes down, or it gets, somehow it's missing. I don't know where it goes. but you know, you want to fill those holes, those gaps. And now what we're going to do is we're going to turn the water on, see where the water is diverted to. So that's the great thing about adding rock, is you can actually use it to divert. Instead of using stone, you could use this pea rock, or this small rock, to kind of, you know, make your water go a certain direction. So that's kind of cool. So we're going to spread it around a little bit, make it a little more even, and then what we're going to do is turn the water on and see where the water goes. We don't want it spilling over the sides or nothing like that. So you know, I put enough rock in there to where I can kind of hill it up a little bit and divert the water to different areas. So let's see how it looks when it's all done. All right, so as you can see, spreading some of the rocks around, you can kind of divert it to where you want it to go to. And I actually found some spots that I could probably add to. So as you go along and you start adding stuff, you can make it the water flow anywhere you want it to go. And I think the rocks give it a nice clean look. The rocks are kind of dirty, so we're gonna let them kind of run for a few minutes, and then I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks again.